Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Muviz Edge application. And now just let's select that's another tab. We have selected this one, so let's go with the first one. Click here to apply. We can change the backgrounds of the always on display. For example, let's just go with this one. Tap to apply. We can here change the music controls, show time, how to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. We can turn on or turn off to show the incoming notifications from different apps. Also, we can turn on or turn off the date status and the battery status, just to show it always while they were charging, or just to don't show it. So let's just go back, click on the X icon, tap to the settings section and click always on display. Here we can switch also show time of the always on display feature on our device always while they were charging. When we play the music, we can just use these two features together or separately. Also here we have the screen timeout, so we can just watch it from 1 minute to another. We can decrease or increase the brightness level of the AOD. We can close the AOD by double tap or by single tap on the lock screen. Also, if for example you set the fingerprint to the scanner, you can close it with the fingerprint, or also we can set a schedule the start and the end time of the always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. Nokia device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.